Well, here I am in the rain, dancing in between the raindrops. The rain in Ireland, by the way, falls like fine Irish distilled whiskey. It's lovely, you should try it. But I'm here in the middle of Dublin's fair city, where of course the girls are so pretty. And I thought I would show you another feature of Moasure that perhaps I haven't talked about before. I'm capturing layers, I've talked about that, but I'm using a path type to capture this space that's called circle. It's really simple. I need to capture 3 or more points to create this circle and map it out on screen. So I've got 2 points. Let's get another one. So the more points you get, the better. There we go. Now, you notice that as I go around, I'm holding this stick with my 2 fingers and my thumb nice and lightly towards the top, so it doesn't swing around like I'm some kind of I don't know, Jedi with my lightsaber. And I'll pick it up and I'll come around here. And when I place it down nice and gently. I'm not holding it with clenched fists like I'm some kind of Irish Viking or a farmer boy trying to break the earth or something like that, but nice and gently. I place it down and I imagine I'm holding a fine single malt Irish whiskey, which right now I can almost taste, smell and see right behind me. So I'll just go get 1 more point, place it down, and we see we have a nice circle on the screen. The point is now captured. Stop that, and I'm going to go and I'll save. And now what I'd like to do, if I'll capture another layer behind you, is a chimney stack. And to capture that, I am going to go and add another layer. And I need to capture 2 points in the first origin line that I captured. I caught that off camera already, but I'm going to use wall mode, and I'll show you what that's all about in a moment. Let me capture the first 2 points in this reference line. Okay. So when you add a new layer, you're in ignore line. And when you move, it doesn't actually draw anything on the screen. And that's exactly what I want. Right now, I don't want it to draw where I'm traveling. Now, I'm going to walk over here to my chimney stack, place it down, wait a moment, and I'm going to change my path type to wall. So I scroll along the menu at the bottom, I select wall, and I need to identify a point that I'm going to start and finish on. So I'm going to choose, let me see, I'm going to choose this crack here. That's going to be my start point and it's going to be my finish point. So there we go. Capture the first one. The point is captured. Now I'm going to walk around the corner. Notice I'm not going to the edge. Every time I place Moasure 1 onto the wall, it's capturing the plane of this wall and then extrapolating a line right to the corner. So I'll do that now. And you're going to see on screen that the footprint of this chimney stack is being mapped and drawn out on screen very quickly. There we go. Let's go to our finish point, which was this crack here. There we go. We're done. Press stop. And now you can see on screen that we've got the circle and we've got the chimney stack orientated and overlaid correctly. Now what I'll do is I'm going to label them. Well, first of all, I'm going to press save, just to be sure as we like to be in Ireland. And then I'm going to select a point on my circle. The rain's making it tricky, but there I've managed to do it. Go to edit label, and I'm going to give it a label. And let me see, I'm going to call it Jameson Man, after your man behind me here over my shoulder carrying the Jameson oak cask, if I can spell correctly. Jameson Man. Apply there. And now if you look at the chimney stack, I'm going to give that a label as well. Edit. Edit label. Chimney stack. I'm a very slow typer. I'm still a farmer boy who's still struggling with technology. So if I can use this piece of tech, anybody can. Chimney, let's just call it chimney. So I could go on, and I could go on, and I could go on, measuring this whole courtyard and beyond, and the whole city of Dublin, using just Moasure 1.